Good morning, class 10th. Today we discuss about the respiration. I Today we discuss about the respiration. Respiration is a process by which we obtain energy. Why we respire? We respire to obtain energy. Next, digested food is used to produce energy and help in growth. It is the most important life process because without this we can't survive. It is continuous process to all. It is an exothermic process and catabolic process. Respiration is divided into two types, external respiration and internal respiration. External respiration means breathing. Exchange of respiratory gases is called the breathing. It is a physical process. Internal respiration or cellular respiration. Energy produced by burning of food inside cell is called respiration or internal respiration. It is a biochemical process. Respiration is divided into two types, aerobic and anaerobic. When respiration occurs in the presence of air is called aerobic respiration. It produces more energy due to complete burning of food. Example: human, cow, mango, etc. I give you also equation: glucose burned in the presence of O2 produce CO2, water, energy. Energy means 30 ATP. Anaerobic respiration, when respiration occurs in the absence of air, is called anaerobic respiration. Example: yeast, bacteria, algae, etc. It produces less amount of energy. Glucose breakdown in case of plant produce ethyl alcohol, CO2 and 2 energy. Next, glucose breakdown in the absence of air form lactic acid, 2 energy in case of animal. During respiration, energy is produced and it is stored in form ATP. I give example equation. ADP means adenosine diphosphate plus inorganic phosphate produce ATP. ATP means adenosine triphosphate. ATP is called energy currency because it breaks to produce energy for various work. ATP breakdown into ADP plus phosphate plus energy. 1 ATP breakdown produce 30.5 kilojoule energy. Mechanism of respiration. Respiration is a complex biochemical process. Many organs and enzymes are involved. Glucose break down into the pyruvic acid. This is called the glycolysis. Pyruvic acid enter into the mitochondria when oxygen is present and it produces CO2, water and 30 ATP energy. This is the path of the aerobic respiration. But when pyruvic acid has not met oxygen, and in case of plant it produces ethyl alcohol, CO2 and 2 energy. This is also called fermentation, and this is the path of the anaerobic respiration in the plant. But when in case of animal, pyruvic acid has not met oxygen, then it forms lactic acid and 2 energy. Okay? Next, respiration. First respiratory substrate or food is glucose. It enters cytoplasm of cell and break down into two molecules of pyruvic acid or pyruvate. This is called glycolysis, and it is common for both types of respiration. When oxygen is available, then pyruvic acid enter into mitochondria to start Krebs cycle. Inside mitochondria, pyruvic acid is burned to produce CO2, water and energy. This is called aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration produces more energy than anaerobic respiration due to presence of oxygen. When oxygen is not present, then plant pyruvic acid produce ethyl alcohol and CO2 and 2 energy. This is called the fermentation. Thank you. In the next lecture, we discuss about the latter topic. Okay, thank you.